Hi, I'm Katherine. I attended the 2017 summer school and it helped me put my charity project fighting human trafficking and exploitation into action. It was a really great experience overall and really enjoyed the few days. I think it was really helpful to start by looking at things in a theoretical way and discussing the profile of social reformers, but then really liked the emphasis onto making a practical plan and also just a really great chance to meet other people who really cared about social reform. The summer school really helped with setting up Tutored Right, and the last day was just dedicated to thinking through a project that you might want to set up and then just putting really practical steps in place and giving yourself deadlines for it. So I sat down and for the first time actually set myself deadlines of when I wanted to get stuff done by and just had really great conversations with people who were really wise and gave me ideas for putting it into practice.